question number 4. You plan to invest $4,000 at the beginning of each month to an account that pay you 12% APR compounded monthly. How many months does it take to see your account grow to $200,000? Okay, so for this question, $4,000 you deposit every month should be the PMT, but since you make the payment at the beginning of each month, so this should be the annuity due question. Put type equals to 1. Type equals to 1 for this question. Interest rate, since this is a monthly deal, so it should be 1%, not 12%. 12% is the annual interest rate. So the monthly interest rate is 12% divided by 12, which is 1%. And you want the account to worth $200,000 some days later, so future value should be $200,000. The present value should be 0 in this question, because the present value is supposed to be like how much you deposit when you set up this account, which is nothing, 0. So, and then you calculate for n. Use amper in Excel for the command, for the function. So also be careful, because PMT is 4,000, future value is $200,000. The signs should be opposite. One is you invest. PMT is you invest $4,000 each month. $200,000 is you withdraw. So you see the directions of cash flows are opposite. So put one number for positive sign and the other one for the negative sign. Otherwise, you get error sign. The question number 5. You plan to invest $30,000 at the end of each month to an account that pays you 6% APR compounded monthly. So you want it to grow to $100,000. Okay, so it seems like it's the same question like the above one, but I think there is a typo here. So it should be $100 at the end of each month. Okay, so when you compare question number 5 with question number 4, one is happening at the end of each month. So this is owner annuity. You can put type equals to 0 or leave it alone. Don't put anything for type. So it will take the default setting of 0, which is assuming the payment occurred at the end of each period. So for this question, type equals to 0 or just nothing. But for question number 4, type has to be defined for 1. Okay, so for question number 5, $3,200 should be your PMT. Interest rate should be 6% divided by 12. And N should be the question. N is the question. You use amper function in Excel to figure out how many months does it take to see your account grows to $100,000. That's the future value. The present value again should be 0. So this is question number 5. Question number 6. You plan to make deposit $400 into a bank account for 2 years at the beginning of each month. You expect to have $10,000 in your account at the end of the 24th month. What is the nominal annual interest rate? Okay, so this question is asking for interest rate. Again, by reading the question, you deposit $400 into a bank account for 2 years at the beginning of each month. So $400 is your monthly investment. But at the beginning of each month, so type equals to 1. 400 should be monthly PMT here. So, and N should be 24 months. So the $10,000 should be your future value. But put opposite sign for the PMT and the future value. Otherwise, you won't get the right answer. So what you got is the interest rate, monthly interest rate. But the question is asking you nominal annual interest rate. So you should use what you got, multiply by 12. That will be your annual interest rate. That will be your APR.